Hello and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So this is the syllabus part 2 for CUGC NET NDA Forensic Sciences. So I'm getting very much interested and very eager to start forensic science because it's really very interesting. So whatever the Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies you see, whenever any murder case is there, you can actually put your forensic science knowledge over there and you can actually also catch the criminal. So it's really fun. So let's see what are the syllabus for the part 2. That is your paper 2. So the unit 1. So again, likewise, your paper 1, 10 units are there in paper 2 also. And all these are very interesting topics. Believe me, once we start forensic science, you're going to love it. So unit 1, forensic science, the definition, history, development, scope, ethics, and ethics in forensic science. So this is required because we need to know for about any subject. So whether you study forensic science, psychology, biology, whatever it is, you need to know its history. Then the physical evidence. So what kind of nature type search methods are there in order to carry out the forensic analysis, right? Crime scene also you need to understand whether it is because of the animal attack or because of the human attack. So all these it's also important. And you need to preserve the crime scene before the police comes and also you have to maintain so that further अगेन इफ यू वांट टू कैरी आउट द इन्वेस्टिगेशन अगर आपको फिर से दोबारा जाके देखना है कि आपने कुछ कहीं मिस तो नहीं कर दिया है सो यू नीड टू कंजर्व यू नीड टू प्रिजर्व द क्राइम सीन देन टू कैरी आउट द क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन लाइक अननेचुरल डेथ समटाइम्स कैसे होता है कि आपको रिपोर्ट आती है कि इसकी डेथ इज बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्ट अटैक बट ऐसा नहीं है क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी उम्र ही नहीं है, उसको कोई हार्ट कंडीशन थी ही नहीं, तो ऐसे में अननेचुरल डेथ कैसे हुई है? सो इसका पता लगाना। criminal assault, sexual offenses, poisoning, vehicular accidents. So all these will include the investigation part. Then once you do the investigation, of course, if there is a criminal or any culprit is there, so you need to know the laws also so that you can put them into the behind the bars. Then, so what are the different organizations in India and outside where these forensic science laboratories work is going on? So, what are the fundamental rights of the victim over here? Then, criminal profiling, it is the role in the case of crime investigation. We also have polygraph. This polygraph is very interesting. Lie detection machine. It's very interesting. So, if you're not aware of it, so you're easily caught. But if you know how to cheat lie detector also it is possible so don't worry sorry so don't worry about it so once we start studying about all these things I'll tell you how you can cheat lie detector also narco analysis it is dealing with the drug abuse brain mapping scope and limitations okay so this is about the part sorry the unit 1 and then unit 2 is all about the microscopy so what are the different types of microscope used in order to carry out the analysis because sometimes you get hair sample powder sample dna samples you need to study in detail so for this all these microscopic spectroscopic analysis are needed then third unit it's dealing with the detection and identification of blood stain so जहाँ पे भी आपका crime scene है blood pattern किस तरह से है पत्थर से मारा है हैमर से मारा है या बंदूक चली है उसके ब्लड पैटर्न एनालिसिस से पता चल सकता है कि विक्टिम को किस चीज से मारा गया है सो देन ऑल्सो द स्पीशीज ऑफ ओरिजिन अगर एनिमल अटैक है सो यू नीड टू नो कि किस तरह के एनिमल अटैक हुआ है देन ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प इन कैचिंग द क्रिमिनल then what are the different techniques in order to determine the blood groups the other bodily fluids also it's not like always a blood it can be saliva it can be the semen sample it can be sweat sample right so all these fluid materials can be collected in order to study and catch the criminal then disputed paternity and maternity test now this is very commonly observed because many a times people are claiming that they are my father once they have found that they are very rich so many people come and claim that you are my guardian and all etc so that time this maternity and paternity test plays a very important role and to carry out this paternity maternity test, you need to know the DNA structure, genetic marker, how to extract and carry out the fingerprinting. And yes, wildlife forensics, these are the protection act which is being launched by the government. So that also we are going to study. Then Unit 4 it talks about the analysis of ethyl alcohol in averages. So जब भी कोई drunk and driven cases होते हैं, accidents हो जाते हैं, so there you need to do the alcohol analysis. right? And it's not only about the alcohol, it can be any kind of chemicals which are present. So chemicals आपके इंसेक्टिसाइड्स हो सकते हैं, पेस्टिसाइड्स हो सकते हैं, कुछ लोग ड्रग्स यूज़ करते हैं, हेरोइंस यूज़ करते हैं, ओपियम यूज़ करते हैं, राइट? सो फ्यू पीपल ट्राई टू कमिट सुसाइड बाय टेकिंग सो मच अमाउंट ऑफ स्लीपिंग पिल्स। सो ये तरह के आपको केमिकल एनालिसिस करने के काम आएंगे। And then what are the different types of poisons? So it is plant based or metallic based, and how to isolate all these bodily fluids and study them. Then unit fifth is very interesting, who are really interested in the firing. So जो लोग बंदूक में, राइफल में, इन सब में interested हैं, for them this is really very very important topic. So they can talk about firearms over here, the velocity, the penetration, how exactly with the bullet shell also it is easy to identify from which type of ballistic material has been used. Then Unit 6 deals with the analysis of petroleum products and their other incendiary materials. So आपको बॉम्ब बनाना है, किस तरह का बॉम्ब है, आरडीएक्स किस तरह का यूज़ किया गया है, तो ये सब हम इस चीज़ में पढ़ेंगे। Then comes about the Unit 7. So this deals with the hairs and fibers. So on the crime scene, sometimes the victims or the criminals' hair fiber can be seen, and from there you can also actually identify and catch the criminals. Then you can also see the dust and soil nature, like जहाँ भी crime scene होता है, आपका criminal किस ड्रेस में है, वहाँ से उसने क्या लेकर आया है, सो फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन नो कि वो किस जगह से आया होगा। सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी हेल्प करती हैं क्रिमिनल को पकड़ने में। Then we have got the unit 8. So in this we will talk about the fingerprints. So it's not only about the hand fingerprints but also about the foot, shoe prints, the tire marks, whatever you can see near the crime scene. Okay, so now we also talk about we are also going to talk about the eye retina also, because even the eye scan has become nowadays a very unique thing to be used. The also the significance of using the human voice spectrography analysis in order to catch the criminal. The next unit deals about the documentation. So whatever kinds of, like, secret writings are there, based on the handwritings, like what all you can make duplicates also, right? So like people are making fraud passports in order to travel from one place to another place, so all these will be dealt over here. So we'll also talk about the individual's handwriting also. It is also called graphology. So from graphology also, many a times a graphologist can actually understand what is going on in the mind of the criminal. So that is also a way of understanding, like what will be the next thing the criminal is going to uh, do. Okay. The last topic, it's about the how exactly the death occurred, whether it was because of the sexual offenses or because of the other cases. So postmortem examination will be carried out. It will tell you exactly at what time the death was carried out and that happened. What are the different types of injuries and wounds? What are the determination of the species of the origin and sex, right? And also about the skull superimposition and facial reconstruction. So sometimes what happens, the गुनाह इतना बड़ा होता है कि जहाँ पे कुछ लोग इंसान का चेहरा तक ही बिगाड़ देते हैं। सो ऑल्सो समटाइम्स फ्रॉम योर डेंटल रिकॉर्ड्स ऑल्सो इट इज ईजी टू आइडेंटिफाई हु द विक्टिम वाज in order to identify the person. So all these will be dealt in the last topic. And one more thing about the forensic entomology, here we'll talk about the insects of the forensic importance and their application. So that's all for today. Thank you.